Ma'am, usually we see this yellow fire, orange and yellow fire, but today I am going to show you green and blue fire. This is boric acid and this is copper sulfate. When we eat methanol we use methanol as a fuel to burn. When we use methanol and when
Did they have stamps? Yeah. You might have stamps,
and this will turn to blue fire, ma'am.
Green only.
See, blue.
It's mixed. Because of methanol, it gives you the green color. But why these colors are there with the powders?
When we burn something like boric acid or copper sulfate in fire, the energy of the electrons in this compounds shifts their outer ring, and this gives a different energy. This gives out different types of energy. Some gives more energy, some gives less energy. Depending on it, it gives out different colors of vapor. Some gives yellow color, some gives blue, yellow, green, red, etc.